Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. Today I want to show you how you can crochet a granny square. I thought I had it on my YouTube channel, but I didn't. In my previous video you could see how I made the granny stripes, and now I just want to show you how you can crochet it in a square. Before I'm gonna show you that, I just want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel if you did not already do that, and turn on notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And if you want to help me develop my channel, there are 2 links in the description below where you can donate some money, and that will be really helpful to keep on making videos for you on my channel. And now I'm just going to show you how you can crochet this square. You can make it in different colors like I showed you here, and I'm going to show you how you can change colors, but you can also make it in just one color or however you want your square to be. So first I'm going to take my yarn, and I've got a crochet hook of 5 millimeters, and I'm going to make a magic circle first. So first I'm going to make a loop, and I'm keeping my finger on the crossing of the loops over here. Put my hook into the loop and grab my working yarn. And now first I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the chain 5 counts as a double crochet chain 2. Now in the magic circle we're going to make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 2, and into the magic circle again make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 2, and you can see the square already is forming. Now make again 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to tighten the magic circle a little bit. Now chain 2. Now for the last part, the chain 5 counted as a double crochet chain 2. So this is just 1 double crochet. That means we need to make 2 double crochets. So not 3, but now 2. So 1 and 2. And then in the third chain, so 1, 2, in the third chain we're gonna make a slip stitch. And if you want to make your square in just one color, what you can do is you can go over to the chain 2 space, put your hook in there and make a slip stitch, and then from here on you're gonna go further, which I'm gonna explain next. But I also want to show you how you can change colors. So I'm gonna unravel this a little bit. So here we made our last double crochet. I'm gonna cut our yarn. And then there are 2 options. You can go into the third chain, drop a loop, and then grab your next color. I'm gonna unwind yarn so it's easier for me to crochet, and then grab your next color and pull it through both loops on your hook like this, and then go over to the chain 2 space and make a slip stitch 2, and then you can just tie a knot in these 2 colors over here, but you can also do it like this. So I'm gonna unravel this again. So if you made your second double crochet, then go over and slip stitch into the third chain, and then just pull your yarn up, and then grab your next color, and then go into the chain 2 space over here, grab your yarn around the chain 2 space, so drop your tail grab your working yarn and make 5 chains, 4 and 5, and then you can also grab both ends and just tie a knot so it won't come undone easily. Oh, I'm sorry. So I tie 2 knots with the 2 colors and just tighten your magic circle end like this. Okay, if you're doing it just one color, go ahead what I'm showing you next. So chain 5, and then in the chain 2 space over here make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Now we need to make a chain 1 so we can get over to the next corner, and this is on top of this side, these 3 double crochets, and a chain 5 which counts as a double crochet chain 2, that is for this side. Okay, so in the corner make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see here is one side done. Make chain 2 to make the corner, and into the same chain 2 space make 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. And you can see this side is done with the corner, and we are making the other side over here. So we need to overcome this piece over here, so chain 1 and go into the next corner and make 3 double crochets, and you can see this side is done also. And now we need to make a corner, so chain 2. I'm gonna grab some more yarn. Now into that same corner where we just made our 3 double crochets, make 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1 and into the next corner, or in the chain 2 space, make 3 double crochets. Now chain 2 into the same chain 2 space, or in your corner, make 3 more double crochets. 2 and 3. Now we're almost at the end, but chain 1 first. Now we are at the beginning where we started our chain 5. So on this corner we need to make 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. Because the chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counted as a double crochet. So in your third chain we're gonna make a slip stitch. And I'm going to show you how you can crochet the next rounds just in this color, because I already showed you how you can change colors. So what you need to do is to slip stitch into the chain 2 space like this. Now chain 5, this counts as a double crochet chain 2, and in this corner in the chain 2 space where we already slip stitched, we need to make 3 double crochets. And 3. Let's grab some more yarn. Now you can see we have one extra space over here, and you will see with every next round there will be more chain 1 spaces between every corner. So we need to make a chain 1 first. And in this chain 1 space we're going to make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Now we need to go over to this corner, so first chain 1, and in this corner we're going to make a 3 double crochet and 3. Now chain 2, in the same corner make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. So you can see one side is done, and you can see there are 2 chain 1 spaces now. So every next row will be 1 extra chain 1 space on every side. Now chain 1, in a chain 1 space make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1, and now we are at a corner, so make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and again in the same corner make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Let's grab some more yarn. You can see it uses up a little bit more yarn maybe than single crochets, but you can see you're getting a bigger project quite easily because you're making double crochets. Okay, so now chain 1, we are at the chain 1 space over here, make 3 double crochets and 3, and now chain 1 and into the corner make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 2 and into the corner make 3 more double crochets, so 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1, into the chain 1 space make 3 double crochets and 3. Now we are at the end, so chain 1, and the chain 5 counted as a double crochet chain 2, so in this corner we need to make 2 double crochets, so 1 and 2. Now in the third chain we're going to make a slip stitch, and if you want to make more rounds then just slip stitch into the chain 2 space and continue what we are doing for all the 3 rounds I just showed you. You can see that every side has now 2 chain 1 spaces between the corners, so you're gonna make more granny stuff. You are 3 double crochets over here, so this will be bigger and bigger. So I hope you liked it, and I explained it a little bit well for you, so you can crochet granny square too. And for now I just wish you happy crocheting and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.